If Canva is showing error 429, don't worry. This usually means you've hit a temporary rate limit, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix Canva error 429 fast, so you can get back to designing without interruptions. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. First, the easiest thing to try is to refresh Canva after waiting 1 to 2 minutes. Error 429 often appears when Canva is receiving too many requests in a short period of time, so giving it a short break can let everything reset on its own. Close any extra Canva tabs if you have them open, wait a moment, and then refresh the page. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still there, the next step is to stop any rapid actions you are doing. That means pausing uploads, downloads, repeated clicks, or constantly refreshing the page. Canva can temporarily block requests if it thinks activity is happening too fast, so take a short break, wait a little while, and then try again more slowly. This simple pause can make a big difference. Now let's check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger loading problems that look like a Canva error 429. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, switch networks, restart your router, or reconnect to Wi-Fi and try Canva again. A more stable connection can help prevent the error from coming back. If Canva still won't load properly, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted and interfere with websites like Canva. To do this, open your browser menu, go into Settings, then Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is selected, then clear the data. After that, reopen Canva and sign in again if needed. This often removes stuck browser data that may be causing the error. Another very common cause is browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can sometimes block parts of Canva from loading correctly. To test this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off EAT blockers or any suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, reload Canva and see if the issue is gone. If Canva starts working again, you found the problem extension. If you want the fastest troubleshooting order, try this. Refresh after waiting, stop rapid actions, run a speed test, clear your cache, and disable extensions. That sequence fixes most Canva error 429 issues without needing anything complicated. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next until Canva loads normally again. Once Canva is working again, you should be able to continue editing as usual. And if the error ever comes back, just remember that 429 is usually temporary and related to too many requests, browser data, or an unstable connection. Now you know exactly how to fix it safely and quickly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's having the same Canva issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.